what do you have to say about being a part of the Times Fresh Space where you also started your journey?
It's always very exciting, whenever you're a part of actually a contest like this, which gives people opportunities. And to be very honest, it's when I got here today is when I realized, oh my God, I had done this 13 years back. But it's always exciting to see so much talent, and I think all of them are so talented, and I wish them all the luck.
And talking about your work, Rakul, you are working in Dr. G and you have just made an announcement about it today. So how excited are you to play the role of a doctor?
Oh, I'm very excited. I think Dr. G is one of my, every film is exciting, but I'm really looking forward to this film because it talks about something which has not been seen before. I play Dr. Fatima, and I really can't wait to see it.
And lastly, what are your preparations for Diwali? What are you going to do this
I am
Diwali?
shooting through Diwali. I am traveling tomorrow to Lucknow for my next film, and I'm going to be there for 45 days, so it's a working Diwali.
So it's not going to be with family this time.
No, this time work is family.
And what are your wishes for the fans out there for Diwali?
Well, I would wish obviously everyone a very, very happy Diwali, but most importantly a safe Diwali. And by safe, it's not just cracker safe, it's also COVID safe. So please don't forget to wear your masks. I do understand that people want to be together and celebrate, but please wear your masks and also be a little more responsible about the environment and not burst crackers.
Thank you so much, Rakul, for
Thank
your
you
time.
so much. Thank you.
Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here, and with me today I have the gorgeous diva, Harnaaz Sandhu, welcoming her on E-Times. How does it feel judging a show of like Times Fresh Space?
Well, before I answer my question, you look glamorous. You look so beautiful. And I forgot my question. Could it be that? She's so pretty and mesmerizing that since the time I've seen her, I've been praising about her beauty. So you have to repeat your question again.
Thank you so much. So I have to ask you, how does it feel judging the show, being on the other side completely?
Well, it's incredible to see how, each and every contestant was so power-packed and talented, and they were super confident about representing themselves. But at the same time, me as being a contestant in 2017 and now judging that, it makes me feel so overwhelmed, and it's so sweet, and to understand that the life is all about us. It's small world, and it comes back again from where it all started. Times Fresh Face has been my turning point, and since then I have become unstoppable. So it was great to see people, cheering for their favorite candidates, and at the same time, each and every contestant was representing themselves, the cities, and the country itself. So for me, I believe they all are winners, irrespective of what happened tonight, and just keep going, never stop, and believe in yourself.
Talking about your journey, of course, that's quite exciting, I must say that. But tell us something about your journey, because it's not stopped. It's going to start, in fact. You are going to be a part of something very special internationally. So how excited are you for that?
Well, I believe I'm the only candidate who got the shortest time to prepare, but the team is putting a lot of effort to, bring out the best version of India. And I'm getting a lot of trainings for communication, getting to wear best designers' clothes for the finale. I'm getting hair and makeup training. So many things are happening in one single day. But I promise to each one of you that you will enjoy the process. You will, all the efforts will not go vain. I promise you that. And I'm so excited to see, the other contestants from different nations, to learn from their culture and the nations, and to, strengthen forward the relationship between Israel and India. And it's a beautiful platform where you represent yourself, you empower each other, and, you bring back the meaning of sisterhood by, just being unstoppable the way I have been. And I'm sure this is the start of journey, but currently I want to focus on this and bring back the coveted crown of Miss Universe.
That's quite nice to hear from your end, of course, Harnaaz. But after that, what are your plans? Have you thought of something to start off as a career? What are your career options? What you're looking forward to?
Well, I'm an actor by profession and a model. So I've done 2 Punjabi feature films as well as a lead heroine, and I'm looking forward after pageant. I would be focusing on Bollywood, and I hope that things go well. So yes, I want to try for Bollywood also, but currently for Miss Universe.
Thank you so much, Arnaz, for your time. And of course, I'm going to interact with you again and for a live session. So before you go, of course, we are going to, of course, enjoy a live session soon. But thank you so much for your time. And of course, you look gorgeous. And I'm sure you're going to make us proud and you're going to win the title for sure.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, and please keep supporting me with your love, faith, and मैं वही कहती हूँ पंजाबी में कि मेरे लिए अरदास ज़रूर करियो, and let's make India proud together.
Thank you, Harnaz. And I'm sure you'll make us proud. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here, and with me today I have the gorgeous, stunning Adeline Castellino. Whenever I meet her, I of course compliment her because her features are not only good, but she as a human being is also very beautiful. Welcoming her on E-Times. So tell me something, what made you get this look?
I think because as you put this idea in my head, because I didn't get to enjoy Halloween, I was shifting. So I thought, why not bring a little extra here? Because you know it's young, it's fresh, you want to celebrate. So I think that's why I went with this look. Why do the boring old, you know, when you can always reinvent? Because it just makes you feel better, I feel.
And how does it feel being a part of the Times Fresh Face where you got to see a lot of new talent and of course their performances were so good?
Yeah, you get floored and you know, it opens up so much in you that there's so much out there. These people are so talented and you want to do that to yourself. You want to go back home and try the guitar, you know, try singing. So I'm so happy and glad that I was called here and I got to see all of them.
How was it judging the show though? Because you were the judge over there and you know completely that was stunning to see you in a different role altogether because you were not on that side.
Exactly.
And now being the judge and you know judging, you know, so many talents out there. How difficult was that for you?
Samina, actually, I'm someone who hates judging because I don't like comparing people. But I had a great time on the table for the fact because I knew each and every person here, the journey doesn't end here for them.
Yeah.
They're going to go way forward, and I can see potential in each and every contestant. It was very hard to judge them, but I feel that they have done their best. And the winner, I'm sure they're going to have a great year ahead. And all the best to them for that.
Personally, who's been your favorite? If you have to not choose from who you have chosen right now, you know, as the finale winners and all.
I think the winners are very deserving, and that's why they're winners. But you have this personal connection with some people, right?
Yeah.
So I think Digvij, he was somebody with so much of energy, and he brought so much of Maharashtra in him. So I really liked him.
And his performance was also quite different, you know, like that is something what we don't get to see.
Exactly. So the energy and the freshness that you want to see in people, I saw that. And after such a long time, kudos to the entire team to kind of bring this together after the pandemic, give the youngsters this chance again, which is really good because a lot of talent has come out of this platform. So it's
When are we
amazing.
going to see Adeline performing on stage?
Very soon. Let's just wish it. I'm just visualizing because stage is my thing, you know. I really want to live that again. Because of the pandemic, we haven't had that, you know, opportunity. But I would love to be on stage entertaining people with dance.
With dance, of course. So we have to wait for long or we have to wait for a short time?
Let's see. Let's see. I hope not long because I can't wait for any longer.
And what's keeping Adeline busy these days? Of course, we can see a lot of posts and a lot of projects you're working on. But apart from that, like, what is keeping you busy? And if you could actually reveal now finally, because I've been like literally like, you know, scouting you somewhere, you know. I'm literally like following you and I'm telling you, Adeline, please reveal about it. Tell me about it.
I can't give much details, but what I'm saying, what I know that this week is going to be very hectic because I'm traveling somewhere. I always wanted to travel somewhere where the snow falls a lot.
Okay.
And I'm going to reveal that on my Instagram, so please follow me. But you know, I think Samina is the only person on my list that keeps on, you know, interacting, saying, "Oh, where are you? What are you doing?" and that. So it's great. And so nice to see you, Samina, all the time.
Thank you.
I
Thank
think
you.
every event I'm just looking at Samina, and she's there. I spotted you
I'm
very
sitting
early
in
on.
one corner, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
And
quite
you're looking
nice.
gorgeous yourself.
Thank you so much, yeah. That's a compliment. But of course, you're looking stunning, I must say that. And whenever I see you, there's some, you know, positive vibe which you, of course, like, you know, really like exclude out of you. And I really love, you know, talking
very,
to you.
very positive and
Yeah.
very glamorous, you know.
Okay.
It's just us.
We're just us, actually. Thank you so much, Adeline, for your time and all the very best. And hope to see you soon again.
Yes.
Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here, and with me today I have the stunning winners of Times Fresh Face 2021, welcoming them on E-Times. Vikas, how does it feel winning the Ever Youth Times Fresh Face title?
It feels great and it gives immense pleasure to be here standing on the stage, and the experience which it has given is just insane. I cannot really express it in words. So thank you so much.
And Arya, what do you have to say? Your performance was quite stunning, I must say that.
Thank you so much for the compliment. And I would like to say one thing, that seeing your parents, your family happy is the best thing you can do ever. And because of that, I live for it. And I'm so happy and so proud of myself that I was confident throughout the rounds and I did my best, and I'm so happy for my performance. And that's not going to stop me. Thank you.
So, what are your plans after winning this?
Surely not gonna stop after winning the title. It's more to this, and I believe that as an actor I can grow and still learn so many things from great artists, and I'm looking forward to the same.
What about you, Arya?
Really nice question, and I had to think about it a bit. So basically, I would like to, excel myself into this field because I have always been fond of being in front of the camera and, a camera-friendly person always. So I think that I'll go ahead with modeling and acting, and for sure, see you guys again on the television.
What excited both of you to be a part of Times Fresh Face?
Okay, so as you know, this is my third year, and it was just the kick which I had that I need to achieve this. And I felt that, there are great personalities coming out of the Times Fresh Face, and I wished I could be one of them, and here I am.
What about you?
About me, actually, I was not knowing about this competition until my sister told me about it. So she's really particular about whatever I'm doing, and she's really caring about it. And because of her, I started, she just told me to post a video, and we were not doing anything in the quarantine. So we were just, developing my skills and everything. Everyone in my family has supported me so much. And then this led me to another stage, and then to another stage, and then standing in front of you right here. And it feels amazing and fab. Thank you.
How happy were you after hearing Rakul Preet's journey, because she was here at Times Fresh Face 13 years ago and she started off, and she won and she's a famous actress now. So how inspired were you both?
That's where I believe I'll land up, because she's been an inspiration to not just the girls but the boys as well. She's had a great journey, and I wish I could have some part of her life, some part of her experiences which could be shared with all of us.
What about you, Arya? What do you have to say?
It seems that the way she did not give up, each stage weighed anyhow, and now where she is judging us, it is a big journey, and if you decide to do it, nothing can stop you. That's what I've learned.
Thank you so much for your time and all the very best for your journey ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.